What do I do to get people to buy from my email list? Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves here today. I'm going to be showing you 5 email subject lines that get your emails opened so people buy. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah Talbert, and this is your copywriting destination. We talk all things copywriting like sales emails, sales pages, websites, and more. So if there's something you'd like to learn, leave a comment below and don't forget to hit subscribe and the little bell to be notified. All right, people. Um, how do I get people to buy from my email list? First off, people buy from or open emails based off of who it's coming from. So, second is the subject line. So, we want people to buy from us or get to know us through our emails. We need to make sure that we are using subject lines that are interesting to our ideal client. So, today I wanted to share with you 5 headlines I've used to drastically change my clients' open rates and my own. Subject line number 1: the easiest way to fill in the blank. This headline is great because aren't we all trying to find some way to do something a little bit easier? So think about a problem you solve. How can you use this headline to get people to click? The easiest way to write a sales page. The easiest way to craft an email headline. Got it? The easiest way to run a marathon. So share yours below, all of these. I'd love to see you try any of these that you think would work really well for your business. Subject line number 2. Now you can blank without blank. What is something your audience really wants to know but feel like they can't quite do it because something's holding them back? This is a great subject line for that. So here are some examples. Now you can write email welcome sequences without wasting time. Now you can design your own website without tech frustration. Now you can get more clients without hustling Facebook. So, whatever it is they're truly wanting is the first blank. And then what they want to know, or then we want to know why they think they can't or won't. And so that's what we use for the second blank. So, now you can blank without blank. Subject line number 3: the secret to. This subject line is perfect because everyone feels like there's a secret sauce. But what if we could start our subject line like this and then open up our email to a world of possibilities where it isn't necessarily a secret, but now we've broken things down into actionable steps that they can do. So here are some examples of what I've used before. The secret to kicking dieting to the curb. The secret to financial freedom. The secret to not losing control. Okay. So, again, I'd love for you to share below if this is something or a subject line that you could use for your business. Subject line number 4: does your blank ever embarrass you? I love this one. It sparks interest and it speaks directly to what they've been trying to hide, but you're kind of opening it up and bringing it into the light. The goal isn't to let them sit here with this embarrassing fill in the blank. Okay. The goal of this email is to share with them what's possible. I got on a call the other day with someone who said they never send their website to anyone because it's embarrassing. And because of that, they're missing out on clients and the confidence to sell their services. So her website's embarrassing. So you could write, does your website ever embarrass you? Does your sales page ever embarrass you? Does your garden ever embarrass you? Does your online presence ever embarrass you? These are some great subject lines to speak to what they're trying to hide. I'd love to see you try that one below as well. All right, last one. Subject line number 5 is how much is blank costing you blank? Okay. Again, we would need to know through market research and so forth to know exactly what it's costing people, um, or what certain things may be costing people. But if we know their pain points, we can offer a specific solution. So let's look at these. How much is your website costing you clients? How much is scrolling Facebook costing your bottom line? How much is your pool maintenance costing your wallet? Okay, so now it's your turn. Try using any of these subject lines um, to get your emails opened. Because again, if they're not opened, they're not reading what's on the inside. So I wanted to start there with you guys today. I'd love for you to share this video with a friend and maybe see if you guys can generate some headlines together. If you need more subject lines, I have 17 headlines that slow the scroll, which also can be used in your email headlines. And that's in the comments below. So until next time, I hope you have a great day.